Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Welcome to the KPS online lectures. Students, as you know, we have started again our lectures only for the benefit of our students. So, your cooperation in this regard is very much necessary. So, please being cooperative. So, today we are going to have our lecture number 5 for pre-ninth class, and we will discuss the active and passive sentences of past perfect tense in this lecture. As we have done our present perfect tense, its active passive in the previous lecture, so today we will make the active passive of past perfect tense. First of all, we have the structure. In active sentence, first of all, we have subject, that is the doer of an action. Then we have had, that is the helping verb. Then we have third form of verb, and then object. स्टूडेंट्स, ये बात हमेशा जहन में रखें कि कोई भी परफेक्ट टेंस है, चाहे वो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट है, पास्ट परफेक्ट है या फ्यूचर परफेक्ट है, उसमें हमेशा थर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब यूज़ होगी. नाउ in passive sentence, first of all there is object, then we have had been, then we have third form of verb, and then by and subject in the end. We will change the object into subject as we have done in the previous tenses. We have changed he into him, she into her, and if we have him, we have changed it into he. Means we have made use of all the subjective into objectives and objectives into subjective according to our requirement, as we have done in the previous lectures. Now, first of all, we have simple sentence. In simple sentence, we have he had cooked food. Now, food is object, so it will be in the start. Food had been cooked by him. We have changed he into him. Then we have negative sentence. He had not washed his hands. Students, as we have made use of subjective cases into objective, we have changed subjective case into objective and objective into subjective, but we do not change possessive case. possessive case जो है, ये जब हमने इसको पैसिव में चेंज करना है तो possessive केस जो है ये नहीं चेंज होगा, ये वैसे ही रहेगा. Now in this sentence we have his hands as object. His hands had not been washed by him. We use not after had. Now we have simple interrogative sentence that can be replied, that can be answered only in yes or no. Had you called me? Now the place of had will not be changed in passive. Had me will be changed into I. Had I been called by you? You is same in objective case as well as in subjective case. Had you called me? Had I been called by you? This is the simple interrogative because only the helping verb is making it interrogative. There is only the use of helping verb in the start. But when we have double interrogative sentence, there is the use of WH word and helping verb in the start, and in their passive their place cannot be changed. Its place is the same. When had she washed the clothes? So the place of when and had will be the same. When had the clothes object been washed by her? We have changed she into her in the passive sentence. Then we have the sentence with who. Who, as you know, is also a subject. Who had watered the plants? Now who will be changed into by whom. By whom had the plants been watered? Who had watered the plants? By whom had the plants been watered? Students, water is a word that works as a noun as well as a verb. So यहाँ पे watered का मतलब है पानी देना. अगर सिंपल वाटर भी है तो इसको हम पानी देना की सेंस में ही यूज़ करेंगे. हम गिव वाटर को यूज़ नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि वाटर जो है ये एज अ वर्ब ज़्यादा अप्रोप्रिएट है गिव वाटर की बजाय. सो हु हैड वाटर्ड द प्लांट्स, बाय whom had the plants been watered. Now we have sentence with which book had you read. Now book is object and it is with which. So in passive sentence it would also be with which. Which book had been read by you? Which book had you read? Which book had been read by you? We can also have sentences with how many and how much. How many books had you read? How many books had been read by you? यानी हम which, how many, how much के साथ जो भी हम सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट यूज़ करते हैं पैसिव में भी हम उसको उसी के साथ ही रखेंगे, उसी के साथ ही यूज़ करेंगे. How much sugar have you bought? Had you bought? How much sugar had been bought by you? Means the subject or object being used with which, how many, how much will also be used with these words in the passive as well. So students, today we have discussed past perfect tense and all the sentences that can be used, that can be made passive in this tense. So you will practice, you will make practice of this tense on your books. So students, this was our lecture for today. Thank you so much.